they want to make the game naturaler than what you see. So that's why.
Yeah, but it would still be fun because as you didn't go into the tornado. Actually, I did, but then I landed on land, but then I died.
Guys, I'm just telling them to say hi to YouTube.
I actually got a...
So if the camera was bad at that time, it's because I was trying to type.
It actually kind of letted me glide. So... Oh, and I could actually
you probably can't
move
see
in the
it,
tornado. So I actually I'm going to the roof.
I'm staying. You know
It's
what?
time to go to the roof.
Guys, I'm going to the roof too. Or I'm just going on top of this. Guys, I almost died there. Stupid fall damage. And guessed.
Watch me
So.
climbing up. I'm actually not going on the roof. I found a place that's twice as good.
Guys, if you like...
Look.
Guys, there's a fire. And guys, if you like my videos, then please check out my friends, God Sandwich and LML. If you can't find them, just look in my subscriptions, and you'll be able to see them. And if you do that, then I'll just be happy. And so will they. So, please give them a look. And if you don't like their videos, then you're weird. But don't worry. So basically,
I killed myself on purpose.
why would you kill yourself on purpose, Bobby?
I was up really high, and then I was like, I just want to die.
Okay. So basically, check out their channels, and I'm just gonna keep on talking about Roblox now. So you would have died anyways, Bobby.
Nope, I was up those two.
Hold on. Those are starting to catch on fire. So you would have died. Because if that whole thing starts...
Wait, watch.
Wait, you watch, Tristan. I mean, Bobby.
Look, see how good they stand up.
Bobby. They were gonna fall. But still.
Well, they fell down, so I would be exactly survive at the exact time.
Okay. That's...
But I still wanted to jump off.
stupid weather machine. Guys. 34! We are the champions.
I'm going to start a song.
What song?
It's a surprise.
Better not be one like It's Raining Tacos, Space Unicorn, or Neon Pegasus.
Wait.
It better not be
Special one.
better not be the He-Man one.
It is.
Oh, come on.
No!
What are you doing?
I don't know. Just me to this.
What are you even doing? Guys, I'm really sorry if the camera is bad. It's just that it's hard to play and do this at the same time and stuff. So, hope you guys are okay.
Wait.
I'll try to cut out the parts that are really bad and stuff. So, after the disaster, I'm gonna end the video. I'm sorry, but
No, they have to listen to the song.
no, they don't.
This isn't it.
Yes, it is. Guys, that guy is extremely naked. He's dead. The naked man's dead. Bobby, stop. Please, no one wants to watch it or hear it. Guys, Bobby has gone crazy. I think he might be a little drunk on He-Man. But this is a very easy disaster to survive. What's even, is it raining meteors? Probably. So, I'm just gonna walk around this gas. And guys, that is where I'm gonna end this video. Please don't forget to subscribe or to leave a thumbs up. And I hope you guys like my channel, and don't forget to check out my friends' channels, God Sandwich and LML. They are really good.
To do another video.
Yeah, we're gonna do another video pretty soon. So